Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be telling you about my experience with one of a SAP certification exam. So I'll be telling you about my experience, like how many questions, what is the passing marks. So I'll be telling you everything one by one here. And in my last video, there I have talked about the rules and restrictions on about this SAP exam. But now I will be telling you about my experience of this exam. So the first point, the exam duration is 3 hours, 180 minutes. And it will be a MCQ question, multiple choice question, 80 questions will be there. And some questions can have multiple answers. That's what you have to understand. Some question will have single answer, or some will have multiple answers. And in case of multiple answers, the option will be up to 5, A, B, C, D, C, D, E. And here, if there is multiple answer, then after the question, it will be written like it has multiple answer. And otherwise, the option will be just 4, A, B, C, D. And to get certification, you need to score above 865. So that you have to remember that if there are 80 questions, then you have to score above 65 percentage. And there is no negative marking in the questions, so that you can attempt all the questions if you want. So there will be a chance to get more percentage. Next, and you can always navigate question backward and forward. Like suppose you have reached questions number 70 and you want to again come back, see the previous questions. So you can always navigate to the backward. And even you reach till the end of the questions 80, so you can come back again to the first point 1, and you can go through your questions answers once again. Next, once your exam starts, so in one screen one question will appear starting from 1, and clicking next will be the next question. So at the end of that, there will be submit button, and after submit, immediately score will be shown on your screen. And if passed above 65 percentage, your certification will be shown, and this will be available in Credly account also. So there is a Credly account, so there also you can have the same certification if you want to get. And last one, and also once your certification is available, you will have option to share in the platforms like LinkedIn and other. There are some social medias are there, so that you can share as well. So this is all my experience with this SAP certification exam. If you are going for this exam, please remember that you need to score above 65 percentage, so you can calculate out of 80 how much it will be. So this is how the exams gonna be. Thank you for watching this tutorial and video. If you have any question about this experience or something you want to know, then you can type below in the comment. I will happy to answer those. Thank you again.